We are in module 4, lesson 3. Operations with polynomials. Please focus. Module 4, lesson 3. Operations with polynomials. Today is 17 January. We are on page 233. Okay. Now, in the previous lesson, we talked about polynomials in behavior, degree, leading coefficient, right? Domain and range also. The first idea in this lesson, we will continue, but with different polynomials. In the previous lesson, we took polynomial with one variable. The polynomial can be more than one variable, okay? For example, now, a monomial. What's the monomial? Monomial. A monomial is a number. Hello. Or a number multiplied by a variable or more than one variable. So the monomial can be a number, or a number multiply a variable, or a number multiplied by more than one variable. Like a number, for example, 7. This is monomial. Close the door. Monomial. What's the degree here? If we have a number, do we have a variable? Do we have a variable? The degree is 0. The degree is what? 0. A number or a number multiplied by a variable like 7y power 5. Right? This is monomial. What's the degree here? 5. Or more than one variable like 7m k to 5. 7m power 2 k power 5. This is monomial. And it can be 3 variables, 4 variables, whatever. So a number لحاله. It can be monomial. What's the degree? 0, no variable. A number multiply a variable like 7y power 5. The degree for the variable now, which is 5. But here, if you have more than one variable, you add the degrees. You add the exponents. So here, what's the degree? 7, 2, and 5. Done? فهمنا المونوميال. Now polynomials. monomial يعني 1. Poly يعني أكثر من 1. Polynomials means more than monomial or more than one monomial by adding and subtracting. For example, look at the board. 2. For example, 2k f power 2 plus 3k f plus 7k. This is polynomial. How many monomials we have? 3 monomials. This one, and this one. Okay? How many monomials we have? 3. The first one, 2kf power 2. The second one, 3kf. The third one, 7k. Monomial, monomial, monomial. What's the degree here? 3. Here we have 1, right? What's the degree here? 2. What's the degree here? 1. So we have 3 degrees. 3, 2, 1. The degree of the polynomial is the highest degree. So this, what we say now? A polynomial of degree what? Degree what? الكبير. 3. Done? Done? Let's go to example 1 now. What? monomial حكينا can be a number or a number multiply a variable or a number multiply more than one variable. But here how many monomials we have? 3 monomials. To find the degree of the monomials, if you have one variable, the degree is that degree of that variable. If you have a number, the degree is 0. If you have more than one variable, you add the exponents. And if you have more than one monomial, the degree will be the highest, the greatest degree. Got it? لا 7 ما لها باور، هذا 7 0 ما لها باور. For the K. ايوه hope that you are talking. I hope that. Yeah, I hope from deep of my heart. Okay, let's go to example 1. Just understand what you have in the board. Yeah, monomial. We have 3 monomials. Huh? هي monomial يا مستر. هذا لحاله اسمه monomial. هذا لحاله اسمه monomial. هذا لحاله اسمه monomial. مع بعض شو صار اسمه؟ polynomial. والله الحمد لله. Yeah. Let's go to example 1. We will solve it in details, please. Example 1. Focus, please. The question said, determine whether each expression is a polynomial. بدنا نعرف بدنا نحكي بالأول إنه polynomial أو لا. If it's a polynomial, state the degree of that polynomial. If it's not, enough to say it is not polynomial. So, part A, we have x power 6 plus cubic root of x minus 4. Is this polynomial? Why? What? لا في number يا ابني. هي 1. Why this is not a polynomial? This is not a polynomial. Because we have root. The root on the variable. Look, cubic root of x. It is x to the power 1 over 3. And we said, if you remember in the previous lesson, the degrees should be integers, positive integers, or non-negative integers, because it can be 0 with the constant, right? Yes. What? Root on where? On the variable, not on the number. Yani, for example, if you have this square root of 9 x power 2, the root when? هذا value مالك فيه number. هذا في مشكلة؟ polynomial. Got it? But if you have something like this, here not polynomial. ما فيش لو كان. حكينا الحالة. Okay? Yeah. هذا part A. It is not polynomial. Why? Because we have fraction. See the fraction here? The root is a fractional. Is a ratio. It is rational power. You took that before. Rational powers, right? Yeah. Part B. Part B we have شيل أغراضك. Part B we have 5 a power 4 b minus or plus 3a power 2 b power 7 minus 9. Is this polynomial? Yes, it's a polynomial. So yes, it is a polynomial. So what's the degree of it? With degree. Now, here, the first monomial, the degree is 5. Here, 9. Here, what's the degree here? 0. Constant, no variable, the degree is 0. Okay? The degree is 0. The degree of the variable. Do we have variable here? No, the degree is 0 of the variable. Do we have variable? No. In the middle, it is 9, 2 and 7. How much 2 and 7? 9. Here, 4 and 1, 5. So we take the highest degree. So what we say here, yes, it is a polynomial with degree what? 9. Yes. Because this is degree 5, this is degree 9, this is degree 0. هذا question A, B, question C. We have 2 over 3x to the power negative 5 minus 6x to the power negative 3 minus x. هذا not polynomial. Yes, we have negative exponents. Yes. Done? Let's do the check after this example. It's written in your book. Just fill the spaces. Check. State the degree of each polynomial. Part A. Part A, we have x power 7 plus 6x power 5 minus 1 over 3. Is this polynomial? Yes. ما في مشاكل. What's the degree? 7. Degree equals 7. Only. Top. Question B. We have 3 c power 7 d power 2 plus 5 c d minus 9. Polynomial. What's the degree? The first monomial 9, the second monomial 2, the third monomial 0. So here the 9 degree equal 9. Question C. P power 10. No, polynomial. Huh? It's monomial, but we can't say polynomial. The polynomial can be one monomial or more. Got it? So here the degree is 10. Part D. We have 25. It is polynomial. Polynomial with one monomial. Got it? Here polynomial with how many monomials? 3. Polynomial with how many monomials? 3. Polynomial with one monomial. عادي. What's the degree here? Done? Fill يا ابني fill. You have spaces here. Fill them. No need to write there. No need to write there. Just fill the spaces in your book. Yes. Any questions? Right. No, Mr. Nashwan, it can be more than one variable. Like this one here, we have CD, normal, add. The polynomial can be more than one variable. In the previous lesson, the question was asking us determine if the following is a polynomial with one variable, right? Here مش حاكي one variable. Read the question. سألك هو polynomial or not polynomial? The polynomial can be in one variable, can be in two variables, three variables, whatever. Done? What? What? 25. 25 monomial or polynomial مع بعض. لا هي monomial. What's the definition of the monomial? Read the definition. You understand it. It's a number. A number. Or. And it can be a number. It can be or. Or what? A number multiplied by a variable or a number multiplied by more than one variable. Get it? Like the 7 alone, it's monomial of degree 0. Here 7 multiplied by a variable. Here 7 multiplied by more than one variable. It can be 3, like 7 x, y, z. هذا monomial. Monomial. Done? Right. We did example 1. We did it check. Now, how we add polynomials. Focus on the board, please. Focus. In this lesson, we took the degree and how we know if it's polynomial or no. And we will take how to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply polynomials. How to add, how to subtract, and how to multiply polynomials. How to divide, it has a special lesson for the division, okay? Yeah. Now, to focus and write if you want. To add or subtract, no, to add and subtract polynomials. To add and subtract polynomials. Add and subtract to add and subtract polynomials. Okay. You مين اليو انت can add and subtract only the like terms. The like terms. طب what are the like terms? يعني in adding polynomials you can add and subtract only the like terms. Unlike terms we cannot add them, we cannot subtract them. But what is or what are the like terms? Focus now. Like terms هم terms with same variable or variables. Can be more than one variable, right? And same what? Exponents. You understand what I wrote here? You understand all the adding and subtracting, okay? So to add and subtract polynomials, you only add and subtract the like terms. What are the like terms? Terms or monomials with the same variables and same exponents. Like, for example, 2k power 3 and 7k power 3. هذول like terms. You can add them, you can subtract them. Got it? 2 plus 7, 9k power 3. 2 minus 7, minus 7k power 3. Okay? So here like terms. طيب 2k f power 2 and negative 3k power 2f. هذول like terms? Not like terms. Same variables, yes, kf, kf. But here the k is power 1, here the k is power 2, not like terms. You cannot add them, you cannot subtract them. You cannot. Done? So here not like terms. For example, 3m with 7m. Like terms. mm power 1 power 1. ما في مشكلة. Done? So what we can add or subtract? Only the like terms. Means, look at the board. No, look at the board. If I say 3m power 2 plus 6m power 2, this is 9m power 2. Okay? Done? Like terms. But it's 3m power 2 plus 6m, I cannot add them. Different exponents. Same variable, but different exponents. Done? فهمنا هاي كثير ناس بيغلطوا فيهم. Okay? Like terms, you cannot add. Like terms, you can add. Not like terms, you cannot add or subtract. Same. Done? Done. I'll go back. Yes. حكينا يعني. It's easy. Just open your mind and understand it. Like terms, they have the same variable, same exponent. You can add, you can subtract. Unlike terms, you cannot add them, you cannot subtract them. It's easy, simple like that. Here you have like terms, same variable, same exponent. في مشكلة؟ What? Yeah, we can add, we can subtract. We can. 9k power 3. عادي. Like 2 real plus 7 real equal 9 real. Normal. How you add? 3 chairs plus 7 chairs equal 10 chairs. But you cannot add chairs with tables. If you say 3 chairs plus 7 tables, you will say 3 chairs and 7 tables. Cannot add them, right? Like terms, unlike terms, that's all. Mister, don't say mister. Just raise up your hand. Thank you. Keep it. Now, done. This note is very important. Fine. Now let's go to example 2. And focus, please. Example 2, I'm on page 234. Find 6x power 3 plus 7x power 2 minus 2x plus 5 plus x power 3 minus 4x power 2 minus 8x plus 1. Now look here. Here we have 2 parentheses, right? Here, polynomial. Polynomial of degree what? 3. Another polynomial of degree what? Also 3. The question wants us to add them, right? To add only mean like terms. بتدور على like terms تعمل لهم add. So this is equal. هيك عشان ما تخربط 6x power 3. Search about other x power 3. You have one here. Yeah. Here 6 and here what? 1. It will be 6x power 3 plus 7, 1. It will be 7x power 3. Are you done with x power 3? Cross them. عشان ما تخربط. اصحى. Now 7x power 2 minus 4x power 2. في minus هنا. 7x power 2 minus 4x power 2 plus 3x power 2. 7 minus 4. Now you say, Mister, we are adding, right? طيب يلا. 7 plus minus 4. 7 plus minus 4. 7 minus 4, right? Right. So are we done with x power 2? Yes. Cross them. عشان ما تخربط. It's important. طب minus 2x. Don't say 2x. It is minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 8. Negative 10. X. Cross the x's. 5 plus 1 plus 6. This is the resulting polynomial. Now, after you finish, be sure that no like terms here. Do we have like terms? Power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0. ما في. Add, combine them. In math, exactly, at the end should be no like terms. لازم ما يكونش في like terms. If you have like terms, على طول combine them. Combine means what? Put them. If you have 2 terms, make them like terms. 1 like term, okay? Done. This is how we add. Normal adding with numbers. 6 plus 1, 7 minus 4, negative 2, negative 8, plus 5, plus 1. And put your, it's easy, just adding. Yes. Why? Show me. I know everything there. Show yourself. You said. Where? Where? هنا؟ هنا؟ Yeah, هذه cannot unlike terms. أيوة. Positive 7 minus 4 هي x power 2 x power 2 هذول like terms بس هنا مش like term يا ابني اصلا. الk هنا باور 1 وهنا باور 2. They are not like terms at all. يا ابني النمبرز هنا عادي يختلفوا. الcoefficients it's okay if they are different. By the way, you took this before. انتوا ما اخذتوا like terms قبل. انا معطيهم لجريد 7. كيف ما اخذت؟ يا مستر ما انا بعرف شو بشتغل. الجبرا هذه الجبرا 2. اتحداك الجبرا 1 والقبل هذا ما اخذته لايك 10. How to add Yeah. But now we did example 2. Let's do the check after example 2. The check. Find. Yeah. The first parenthesis we have 2x power 3 plus 9x power 2 plus 6x minus 3 plus 4x power 3 minus 7x power 2 plus 5x. Good. Focus now. This is polynomial of degree 3. This is polynomial of degree 3 also. And what we have between them, f. The plus sign, by the way, focus what I'm saying. The plus here does not affect the signs inside, right? يعني plus with the plus, stay plus. Plus with minus, minus. Plus with the plus, stay plus. يعني signs اللي جوا, if you have plus before them, it won't affect them, right? We will do it. Okay, now let's add the like terms only. Like terms. Yeah. 2x power 3 with 4x power 3, 6x power 3. Do we have x power 3 else? Cross them. Okay. That 9x power 2 with minus 7 عادي plus 9 minus 7 2 positive, right? Plus 2 x power 2 cross عشان ما تخربط. 6x plus 5x plus 11x cross. Do we have other number there? Still negative 3. نزلها معي. Same as that. Done. Do we have like terms here? خلاص أموري سليمة. تمام. Combine them also. Okay. Don't leave like terms. Fine. Now the subtraction. I'll give you example quickly. Focus, please. 2x power 5 plus 11x power 4 plus 7x minus 8 all minus 5x power 4 plus 9x power 3 minus 3x and plus 4, right? Now focus on the board. In the adding, I add directly, right? I add directly. The like term here, I add them and put the answer down, right? This is the answer. But here we have minus. أيوة. In the plus, the plus won't affect anything inside, still the same, but the subtraction sign affect. So in this case, I will make extra step here. I will make extra step before combining the like terms together. The first bracket here, the first parenthesis, do you have anything before? Stay the same. So 2x power 5 plus 11x power 4 plus 7x minus 8 normal. طيب الماينس دخلها هلا على كل تيرم. يلا minus 5x power 4 minus 9x power 3 minus with minus plus 3x minus with the plus. The minus change the signs, right? Minus on a plus, minus, minus on minus, plus. Check. Don't forget this. After you do that, just combine the like terms. Here, 2x power 5 with, do we have x power 5? Comes down. Else, cross. 11x power 4 with minus 5x power 4. 11 minus 5 plus 6x power 4. None. 7x with positive. 7 plus 3, 10x cross. x3, do we have x3? No. طيب. So minus 9x power 3 هذه بتنزل. ما في غيرها. Negative 8 with minus 4, minus 12. Right? Now you need to write then what we call this form, standard form. What's the standard form? That the polynomial should be from the biggest degree to the smallest degree, from greatest to least. We call it descending order. We call it what? Ascending from least to greatest. Descending. Right. So the greatest power here is 2x power 5 stayed. 6x power 4 stayed. Minus 9x power 3 comes here. The 10x here with the sign. Don't forget the signs. With minus 12, the number always at the end. This is the resulting polynomial in simplest form. Still 5 minutes. Let's do the check after this example. We have check after this example. Let's do it, please. Use your copybook if you don't have a space. Subtract 8x power 2 minus 3x plus 1 all minus 5x power 3. Please focus, guys. Plus 2x power 2 minus 6x minus 9. You have subtraction sign, right? Sorry. You have subtraction sign. Distribute it first before combining. The first parenthesis comes down the same. This subtraction sign distributed. The minus on minus a plus. The minus on a plus minus. Okay, don't forget that. Minus on 5 minus 5x power 3. Minus on a plus 2 minus 2x power 2. Minus on minus 6 plus 6x. Minus on minus 9 plus 9. Right? We change the signs. So after that, combine the like terms. You have 8x power 2. Do we have x power 2? Yes. 8 minus 2, 6x power 2. Cross them. عشان ما تهربط. Minus 3x plus 6x minus 3 plus 6 positive 3, right? Plus 3x. Minus plus 1 plus 9 plus 10, right? Minus 5x power 3. Do we have? Comes down. Is it in a standard form? No. Make it in a standard form. So the first one will be what? Minus 5x power 3. Then plus 6x power 2 plus 3x plus 10. This is the resulting polynomial of degree 3. Is this clear? Good boys. Copy. Use your copybook. Your homework for today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 1 to 12. From 1 to 4, you will tell me the degree of the polynomial and if it's polynomial or not. Just read the question to know, to understand what you need to do. Okay. Now, from 5 to 12, you add or subtract. In adding, add directly. Subtracting, do the step first. Copy, guys, copy before you hide in your comment box. That's all. Hi, Mr. Sadin said we took it, which is the like terms. Yeah.